What's going on, everyone? We have implementation of DTC-015, which is a notice of filing and immediate effectiveness of proposed rule change to amend the DTC's procedures and make clarifying changes to the DTC rules. Now, basically what this is doing is it's changing up its bylaws, changing some definitions, changing obsolete rules, um, and they're amending Rule 23 to it's in regards to billing. Now, in regards to the bylaws, it should be implemented tomorrow. It's scheduled to be published tomorrow. And it's basically like what we saw with NSCC 006. It's taking away the 10-day notice for rule filings, right? Because they believe that they already get adequate notice of any rule changes. So if from the future, they're going to waive that 10-day waiting period for notifying participants. So this should improve the rulemaking process for the DTC. So basically what they're doing is they are removing obsolete rules 8 and 34, replacing references to vice president with executive director, amending the bylaws to expressly provide that designees of board of directors have the power to interpret the rules, amending Rule 22 to enhance the transparency around the hearing process, amending Rule 23 to align the text with the parallel NSCC rule. Basically, to help transparency and protect investors. That's what the point is. But yep, this should be implemented tomorrow. Have a good one.